On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Alex, oh, come on. 1 hour intro, man. Get coffee. Needed coffee. We needed coffee. How do they say coffee? What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. We're back. I don't know. Maybe they don't like my VPN in Iceland. Where do you guys set your VPN? Maybe I got to set it somewhere else. I don't use a VPN, but I don't know. We were going through top-down. So if you missed the top-down analysis, I'm sorry. What we discovered is, itchy eye. Crypto Billy in the chat. My guy. What's going on, my brother? What's going on, my brother? Damn. My day just got a little bit brighter, man. God bless you, Billy. Great Billy Goat Tales last night. I mean, I love shilling the crap out of Billy Goat Tales. You can never go wrong shilling the living, sharing, retweeting, sending everybody to Billy Goat Tales because it never disappoints. There's always some sort of alpha, some sort of giggle. Crypto Blood. My God. Crypto Face, Gary Cardone. A whole bunch of great, if you listen to the people who go in front of you, okay? People who've been in the game, the experience that you can, one thing an old Scotsman told me, okay? This old Scotsman, Scottish Mike, okay? He said, Alex, first, I can't do the Scottish accent, so I'm not going to butcher it, but I did live in Scotland for a year. He said, Alex, first, you have to learn to listen, and then you have to listen to learn. But first, you need to learn to listen. It makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense to me. Because, if you're listening to respond rather than to absorb and have empathy and to take it in, you're not getting anywhere. And you're really doing a disservice to yourself and the person that you're listening to. Right? I thought it was sound advice. It's worked out well for me now. It's called respect, and it's also called you're becoming better, right? And that's what we're all about here. It's just getting a little bit better every single day. Trudging through all it's not an easy trudge being a day trader. There's going to be losses. You got to be able to take a loss, which is definitely a hard thing to face, Even if you're amazing, you're going to lose. Okay? Just letting you know. And I know a lot of amazing traders, and you know what? It's called risk management. Brewberry and I were having a good giggle last night about managing risk and how you come into being a trader and you just want to make that money, right? You're gonna conquer the world, and you're over leveraged and you're not managing your risk, right? You're over trading. You're not trading a strategy, and you end up having maybe some success, but in the long run, you will fail. You will, because I traded an $1,000 account for about 8 months, and then I went full-time after a year and turned profitable. But it wasn't that I blew that $1,000 account probably 3 times, and I learned my lesson, okay? I was fortunate enough that I make good money in my trade, that I was able to spend that money for my education, okay? Don't get me wrong. My first trade, I made $10,000 shorting the Terra Luna collapse, okay? That was my first big trade, okay? My first big trade, they suckered me in, man. They got me. $10,000, a $1,000 account. I made $10,000. I didn't keep the money. I'm telling you, I over leveraged and then I got liquidated. I was up $10,000 for a day and a half. And then I went leverage short on Solana, and I got liquidated on Solana because I was on cross margin, and it took all my gains from my Bitcoin short. It was it was, it was I went upstairs. I'll never forget it. I went up to Mrs. Otter. I went upstairs and I'm like, I lost it all. I lost it all. We didn't have a lot of money. And I was showing everybody, look at me, I did it. This is easy. And yeah, humble pie, man. But it showed me you can make a lot of money trading. 2, it showed me that I don't know shit. And 3, you better start learning, right? You better start learning. I'm halfway there, paying tuition. I'm in about $1,500. Let's go. That's it. It's up to you to lessen that expense, okay? It's an expense, tuition. It's up to you. So get a trading journal. Come and hang out with us. Small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. Manage that risk. Take a loss. Live to trade another day. I'll tell you, that's one of the best things I ever heard. And we'll continue to help you guys. I mean, it's been a journey for me and a lot of people who are in our trading group. And, you know, we're not always right, but we're right more often than we're wrong. And by managing risk, we get to make a nice living doing this, okay? So we went top down, okay? So we said there was some hopium on our 4-hour. We want to see that green dot today, okay? The 3-hour, we're getting a green dot, not confirmed yet, money coming back in, okay? 2-hour green dot confirmed, money coming out, a little bit of a controversy here, okay? So this tells me that what we're looking for is I'm looking for a revisit of the previous range, okay? Since breaking down. So a revisit of the previous range would be somewhere within here, okay? And we'll pull this level and we'll get a more accurate level for you guys today during this live stream. We got about 7 minutes till market opens. I want the dust to settle. I need the dust to settle in order to make a better decision today because of how aggressive the market is. I am still short from 58,800. I am still in this short, 25% left in the trade, okay? I've taken 75% out here at 2% gains, and I've let the rest of it ride, and I'm still in that short. We'll see how it continues to go. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for a relief, back up, retesting these lows, and then a dump back down to 54,000, which is my target and has been my target for quite a time, okay? We got Jolt's job openings in 40 minutes. Thank you, JP, for reminding me about that. I'm just trying to get all set up yet again because YouTube just keeps trashing my streams lately. I don't know what's going on. I haven't had much. I have fiber internet direct connected into my like $5,000 laptop, 4070 GPU, massive fast internet. There's no reason why we should be having bit rate problems on this stream. There's no reason. Either it's just too much alpha and they can't handle it, but I just keep getting bitrate problems, and I've tried to adjust certain things on my Streamlabs, and it hasn't really worked out. Dave Digital, Alex, tell me you're more scared as a trader since the birth of baby otter, or are you more confident? I am more confident. I'm more confident because I manage my risk better. Since having a child, it's like, okay, well, put your money where your mouth is. Step up to the plate. As a former athlete, I love the pressure, okay? Like the pressure is like welcomed. I love the pressure. It's almost like, you know how when I wasn't a parent, I heard a lot of people talk about having an extra gear, okay? As an extra gear. And if there isn't something that motivates you, then your little baby boy needing diapers. I went out and spent $50 on diapers yesterday, okay? And that's okay. When the birth of your child and you go out and you buy a 2022 Forerunner to be more safe for your child because you can, right? And I'm not one to come in here and brag about buying a new truck or anything like that. I drove a Kia before this. I just sold my Kia for $2,500, a little four-banger, little A to B car. I just sold that and I bought a brand new truck, right? 20,000 kilometers on my new truck. So I welcome it because I know I'm being taken care of because I'm going to work my ass off and we're going to grow together. Okay? Bring it on, baby. Even when you bought new, you bought smart. Yeah, 2 years old, 20,000 kilometers, Toyota 4Runner, okay? You don't buy it brand new. You buy it a couple years old. You buy it with low kilometers, and you buy something that's going to last forever. Go and Google the Toyota 4Runner and how long it lasts, okay? This thing, my son could be driving that car in 15 years. Okay, ask Alexandra G about the 4Runner. We ain't buying no, Yukon Denali superstar car, okay? I just want the thing to be a tank. I want to be able to get through the snow for my wife because she's British. My wife is British and we live in Canada. So currently, the 4x4 setting is quite nice to have, especially if she's learning to drive in snowy conditions, okay? So safety, longevity, reliable, right? That's it. And that's it. We ain't here to flex. We're here to try to be a positive demonstration for everyone, right? Like we're on YouTube. We're trying to be accountable, honest, transparent, and it's not always easy, but it's something I take seriously. So we're looking for something like this, coming back up to this. Okay, let's pull some fibs. Let's get into this today. We got the news coming out. Okay, let's pull this over here. Yep, so Jolts 809 expected. Okay, so 809 expected. Do we have anything else alongside this? Jolts factory, crude oil. Yeah, so Jolts is the big one here. It's at 10 a.m., guys, so I'm not too concerned. We'll see how it reacts, and we'll go from there. Dixie pushing up. Yep. So we were talking about the Dixie pushing up to this 102 area and then getting rejected down, continuing to lose strength. That's something I definitely want to keep in mind here. We'll see how this reacts here. This is flattening out, could be heading back down. This would be bullish if we do roll over here on our Dixie. This was kind of a leading indicator to a double bottom push back up. Bearish, right? So we want to see bullish heading back down. Inverse correlated to Bitcoin. So that's something I'm keeping my eyes on as well. Okay, 1 hour. Yep, rolling over. VWAP doesn't look too good. Stochastic doesn't look good here. Coming down right here. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, let's go to the 24-minute here. We're going to pull some fibs here. I'm going to go from swing high to the start of the move to the bottom of the move. All right, so what's lining up nicely? Let's pull up to the top of this move here. Okay, so let's go here, 786 golden pocket area. So I'm going to mark out this area because I'm biased to retesting the bottom of this range, okay? Just so you guys know, I'm biased to this level here. Let's see what I got for my key levels of support and resistance. Look at that. Okay, so 57, 430 is going to be that area that I am looking for a potential short and continuation, adding to the short that I'm already in, if we get up here. Okay, swing failure pattern down below, what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm looking for down here at this key level as well. Okay, let's pull fibs. Swing low to swing high. Okay, we're going to go in here. Fibonacci golden pocket, 786 invalidation point. Coming down a little bit right now. Right now as we speak. Let's see what goes on here. You can see we got some higher highs and higher lows flattening out, not really able to make new highs. Okay, ascending triangle. Okay, we have our ascending triangle here. We got our flat top, our ascending triangle here. We could be looking for this. This would be a breakout to the upside and then hopefully a rejection back down. We're looking for this today. Okay, I'm looking for a pushback because everybody's wanting to go short right now, right? What is retail doing? Retail is shorting this, right? We have grabbed liquidity down below. This has been a beautiful, beautiful liquidity grab. We are continuing in this downtrend right now, right? We could be actually, if we go here, we could be back testing it as we speak. If we're trying to split hairs right now, we could be looking at something like this as a back test and a continuation. So the long could have just came right now, but market just opened. Okay, so nothing we want to rush into, in my opinion. Let's see how the dust settles. We have our golden pocket down below here. Let's make this a bit smaller, and let's flip it down below. Okay, so we're going to flip this down below and just up to this trend line here. Keep that buy zone within there. We have our golden pocket zone here matching up with our support and resistance up here. Just looking for this continuation back up and back down. If we are going to roll over, it's going to be a waterfall. So make sure you are using a stop loss, please. If you are looking for the long, remember we're counter trading the trend right now, and we do not want to get wrecked to the downside, okay? That is the last thing we want right now. So let's look at this. Where is my VWAP? Let's go to our scalp trade setup template. Let's pull swing low to swing high again, just to be more accurate. Swing low to swing high. Okay, we're going to come in here. Invalidation, platinum pocket there. Okay, looking at that. Just keeping it real, man. Okay, little swing down, retest. This could be the bounce that we were looking for. Not something I want to trade, right? Kind of stuck in the middle of this range. Where is VWAP, baby? Okay, VWAP, middle of the range. Got rejected, retested, breaking down. Okay, so retest from VWAP breaking down is a bearish signal, in my opinion. So you can see here, failure to get above VWAP, retest, breaking down. Okay, so now retesting previous highs, continuation down, possibility right now. Small little downtrend right now as well. So let's go from swing high to swing low, continuation. We can look for a breakout retest of this, continuation up. Let's get rid of this one. It's really clouding my judgment, this big long trend. Okay, I'm not too concerned about that big long trend today. Okay, significant lows here. This is going to be liquidity order blocks right in here. Okay, we'll drag that across. Let's see if we do want to fill up the order block within here as well. Okay. Lots of things going on this morning. Got to be ready. Let's check the S&P quickly. No trades so far. I want to see us come lower, or I want to see a clear break and continuation up. Okay, S&P, what has it done? Open. Okay, gap down, pushing back. That's a good sign. Bullishness. Gap down. Fill the gap. Continuation down. So possible push this morning. Interesting enough, okay? Let's cook, baby. Let's cook. All right, there's that push, okay? There's that push. Getting through VWAP. Nice little push. Let's see. You got bullish divergence here. Dang it, I missed that. Bullish divergence pushing up here. We could look for a retest here. Possibly looking to get long. Volume coming in, quite nice. That was a little liquidity grab coming up for these guys up in here. You can see the liquidity. Don't jump in on this. This is not where we want to trade. We do not want to trade the VWAP right now. Remember, we do have the volume coming in probably in 25 minutes on that news as well. Let's find direction today, and hopefully we can take advantage of the price action. What's going on? We got 70 people here, 22 likes. Let's get those likes up, please. Greatly appreciate it. You guys are crushing it. Hopefully you guys are having fun trading every morning with the gang, Otter gang out here, crushing it. It's always a pleasure, an honor, and a privilege to hang out with you guys. So thank you guys for spending it with me. Okay, little liquidity grab coming back up here, pushing down. Let's see if it gets here. We could be looking for this long a little bit sooner. A little bit of patience, in my opinion, right now. 24-minute. Yeah, money's coming out right now on the 24. We do have this like mini ascending triangle here if we want to split hairs, but I don't like it. I would like to see something like this. I don't know if we're gonna SFP the low. I would just look for a bounce off the middle. If we come down here and we put in a higher low like that, that would be ideal for a long. If we sweep and bounce, that would be ideal as well. Okay. S&P coming down now. Fill and down. Fill up and then down. We'll see. What's Ethereum doing? Flat. So Ethereum looks like it wants to come down too. So you can use this. You can use ETH as sort of like an idea as well, where you're flagging out. You want to see this come down as well. The dollar rolling over. Okay, so that's bullish. Cautious here. You do have key support here on our dollar. So let's see if we lose this support here, right? That could be bullish for the assets today. Let's look at the stock heat map. We got a little bit of flatness here. Nvidia is still losing strength. Okay, we got green though, and like a lot of small caps here. So that's interesting as well. Let's take a look at the Russell. The Russell has lost this uptrend. Okay, coming back, revisiting probably this order block in here, or this fair value gap. Sorry, probably revisit that fair value gap and then bounce. We'll hopefully see that for the Russell. Very choppy this morning, guys. Nothing I want to trade. I don't know about you guys, but smash the like. Thank you. Trade Intuition. Good to see you, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Out here trying to make some bank. We still in that short from 58,800. My God, what a short that was. What a short that was. That's why you let your trades run, baby. Make a little extra buck on that. For me, I always want to try and capture 1%. Anything after that's extra. Okay, I'm 75% after 1 to 2%, depending on how fast it gets there. Rolling over here. Rolling on a river. All right. Patience, we wait. How we all doing today? Let's ask the beautiful audience here. How are you today? Dad. I just want to know how you guys are feeling. The first rule in my trading rule book is how are you, man? How are you? I want to know how are you feeling in the morning. You got to make sure that you are doing a checkup from the neck up. Blessed for another day. That's the one I like to hear, Drew. You got to do that checkup from the neck up, man. How are you feeling? Are you ready to rumble? Are we going to jump into those charts positively? Going to create some wealth today, make some money, crush these beautiful, beautiful trades and help somebody. I feel so grateful, like, to be able to be part of people's lives and try to help them change. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I always say it's a privilege to do this, and it is. But it's also a responsibility. Okay, we're getting a nice bounce out of here. That bull div could be playing out here. Let's check our 15, our 12. I mean, our 12 minute. A little wickety wiggity wick. It's above grass, touch grass, all that stuff. I mean, last night I get to walk with my wife and child, do a lap around the block in our nice stroller, watching him sleep. Just those moments are so precious, and people like Billy remind me of that. It's just cool, man. Just really cool. So many people out there just. It's a pram, Alex. Yeah, it is a pram. Yeah, Mrs. Otter calls it a pram. That's for damn sure. She does call it a pram. I like money coming in right now. I like a little push back out of this order block here. This VWAP's going to be trouble, man. Okay, we're trying to get above VWAP right now. Look at this. Troublemaker, VWAP. You a troublemaker, bro. You took Billy. Dave Digital put Billy in the stroller and took him for a walk. Billy, are you getting? I mean, I'd push the stroller for Billy. Billy, if there's ever a time you're an old man and you need me to take you for a walk or something like that, bro, I'm buying the plane ticket. I'm making the trip, bro. All right. My word. My word. I'm sad my mother passed away 1 month ago. Martina, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. God bless your mother. She's in a better place. You got to believe it. You got to believe it. I mean, she gave you life. She gave you life. Mothers are amazing, amazing. I mean, the amount of respect I have for my wife after giving birth to our child, it just opens your eyes. I know a lot of people have gone. Billy has gone through a mother-in-law loss as well recently. You know, God bless you, Billy. It's not. You know, you got to believe they're in a better place, and you gotta pray and remember the good times. The thing with me is, like, for me as a child, I lost, like, I think it was about like 8 or 9 people before the time I was like 13 that were close to me, like best friends. I lost 2 best friends. One was caught in a gang shooting, not in the gang. She was shopping, caught in a gang shooting. My best friend was in a fatal car accident. Matthew and Jane, both of them. And death isn't easy, but it's part of life. And I think, you know, I moved home to take care of my grandparents, right? And having the responsibility to take care of them has been a blessing as well. But it's part of life, and you cherish the moments, right? You cherish the moments. Like, it's beautiful. Life is beautiful, and it wouldn't be precious if there wasn't death, right? It wouldn't be. It wouldn't be precious. That's why we gotta take every day as a blessing and don't take it for granted. And I'll share a little picture with Discord here. Hopefully this will brighten your day. 'Cause this brightened my day, yes. Last night. Here we go. This is me and No with my son. Okay? This is it, man. This is it. Right? My prayers are with you, Martina. And Billy. Rules Crypto. My child turns 1 this month. That's amazing. That's amazing. No knows, okay? No knows. That's it. That's it. Little bambino. A little bambino. Ready to go. Look at this price action. Good thing we're not participating because we know to stay out of this. We know VWAP. We could look to short VWAP. But the move is not favorable, in my opinion. The move to where we want to long is just kind of underneath. I would like to short from possibly up here. Okay, get that 1%. I do call him Nono. Nono or Luigi. His name is Augusto Louis is his name. Everybody calls him Luigi, though. I do call him, hey, Luigi. That's how I always say, hey, Luigi, how's it going? Oh, man. This is clouding my judgment. I'm going to get rid of that order block sign there. Going into a 5 minute after if it becomes cluttered on like a shorter term time frame, I know I love my 3 minute, but if it becomes cluttered like this, go up a time frame. Okay, you can see how it's very cluttered right now. Go up a time frame, it'll make it clearer, right? So you got to push up a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so this should be coming down right now to around here, right? Tony Soprano, how's it going, my friend? Are we making the money? Yeah, the Dixie's holding support here. This could be bearish if it pushes back up here. This could be bearish. The Russell still has room to roll over. How's our NASDAQ looking? Our NASDAQ rolling over. Okay. Key support in here. Actually, this can come up to here now. Okay, you can see the highs. The reaction there, the reaction here. So NASDAQ very much in the same spot as our Russell here. Rolling over. Looking to find support. Still got a little bit room to the downside, just like Bitcoin does, in my opinion. Remember, 54,000 is our target. Our idea today is that we're going to push into this area here and then get rejected back down into 54.7. Okay, 54.7, kind of the plan for today. We'll see where we get to. It's 10 to 10. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful morning. We got 83 people in here and only 35 likes. I think you can do better than that. And if you are new here, come and hang out. We'd love to have you. We have an amazing free side to our Discord, which is quite incredible, answering all your questions, working together, making money, all that good stuff. We also have a signals/training area full of memberships, and you get my TA, Kyle's TA, Brewberry's TA. So you're getting spoiled. You get 3 technical analysis for only $1 a day, which is quite amazing in my opinion. $1 a day, 20 days a month. Okay, not even. If you're counting 30-day months, it's like 60 cents. I mean, you can't beat it. And you get an amazing, loving community. So, I mean, come on. Let's go. Let's make some money together. Hopefully I can help you change your life, create financial freedom. As I have. So, you guys are incredible. XRP looking like the market leader. Let's take a look at XRP. I don't want to miss out on this Bitcoin, but I can look at XRP quickly for you, my friend. Nice bounce here. Okay, nice bounce. Yeah, I don't like this here. This here tells me we want to come back down to here. Very similar. 50, 52. We'll see. Nice little bounce here. Pig nipples coming down. Bounce out of here with the. Remember we were talking about pig nipples and then the higher low on the pig nipples. That's the one you're looking for. So this could be the push out. We'll have to wait and find out. Have to wait. Okay. I'm looking for this to continue out. Continue out flat top here. We could be looking for breakout, retest, continuation if we don't catch this low. Okay, we're trying to catch this low. We have news in 8 minutes. Okay, that's going to be interesting. We'll have to see. We didn't come back for this liquidity yet. Okay, so if we're gonna draw a line out here, we want to see it come back for this liquidity. We also have our golden pocket, which is just below there. So if we do see that sweep, that would be ideal. Let's see if we can get that sweep into our golden pocket Fibonacci zone. That target's going to be right around 55,986. So just sweeping 56,000 would be ideal. Okay, that would be ideal. We'll see if we get there. We'll see if we get there. Alex, you are incredible, brother. Michael, you are incredible, man. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the kind words, man. It means a lot to me. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Melissa, good to see you. How you doing? Alexandra G, Michael, Robert Jones. Look, daily nice happy face. Looks daily nice happy face. Good to see you, Robert Jones. Hope you're having a wonderful day, brother. Thank you for all the kind and beautiful things you put in our Discord, man. I love your charts, man. They're absolutely rock star. Inverse head and shoulders possibility. Oof, that would be quite juicy. We'll see if that plays out. But yeah, it's nice having you in the Discord, man. Thank you for being part of the gang. Looking for this morning. We'll see if we come down and sweep these lows here. Back into our golden pocket area, looking for a bounce here, possibly coming back up. We'll see if we get it. It's not as if we can't roll over here, but in my opinion, it would be an opinion, right? That we could. I want to see a revisit of these lows here, right? We didn't fully get it here. This has been very. Are we gonna get like a 5 waiver down here? I don't. Right, that if we're counting, right? So it would be a short one down to here, bull div, if anything. But I would like to see some of this grabs. People are getting short here, right? People are getting short here, wanting to ride this thing to zero, and they need to be taught a lesson, man. I see we go down to 54.7, then create a higher low over the 0.65 fib, pulled from the August lows to the August highs. Okay. 54.7 is exactly where I'm looking, man. Yep, 54.7. I like that. I like that, Kingdom. I love how we all get to a certain level, a certain way. That's what it's about, right? So if we're going, I'm not sure exactly where you pulled that fib, but probably like this, right? We're looking at that. That would be right in here, 6.5, right? Our 6.5 here, all the way from swing low to swing high. Right, we're looking at that area, which is quite incredible. Right, we all find our ways to get there. I like the liquidity down in that. I believe there's an order block down below there as well. So looking Looking quite nice. Nonetheless, we need to be aware. Alex, do you know what it means when the flag is at half staff or the goalpost pattern? I'm not sure what you're. Is that half mast? Is that when someone passes away? I'm not sure what you're talking about, my friend. Is that when a flag's like half mast? That's when someone passes away? Or is that when, are you talking this here? I'd love for you to explain what you mean, man. I would love to learn. The flag on the chart is now the bottom or the top. The flag on the chart is not at the bottom or top. Okay, so it has pushed down, bounced, and now it's in the middle. Is that what you're talking about? I think that's what you're talking about. And it's not. No, what does that mean, bro? What does it mean? So it's not down here. Because this one was down there, right? This one was at the lower part and it broke down, right? Does this mean we want to sweep? Teach me, Dave. Teach me. Oh, flag, pattern, half mass, trading. Let's see what Google has to say. Yeah, everybody just drawing them. Everybody drawing them like this one here. Okay. Okay. So it's still a flag. It's still a flag. It's just steeper in my opinion. So like I like a steep flag. So like this one really was quite steep if we were looking at it as well. So if we're looking at that was the breakout retest right there and then the continuation, right? If you're a flag trader. The reason why we got short here, I got short here on a break of structure from here. So I identified that money was coming out. We had a bearish divergence here, our last swing high at a key level, and then dumperoonie and Jesus take the wheel pattern. CryptoFace gave that in his video. It's I mean, not liking the price action today. Think I might set a small trade, then take the day off. Too many wicks for me. Yeah, absolutely. Nightmare. I am totally there with you. This is anticipation, though, for news. We're getting news in 10 seconds, my friends. So we have been patient. We have been patient, okay? We have been patient. We have been patient. We have been patient. Let's see what goes on with the news. We got Jolt's job openings. This could give us some direction that we're hoping for, my friends. Jolt's coming in. Jolt's coming in. Dumperoonie. Ooh wee. Rolling over into our bounce area. Come on, baby. Just give me the light and pass the Joe. Come on. Come on. Somebody give it to. Come on. Right into my bounce level, baby. We've swept the lows. Okay. We're sweeping the lows. A little bit more. You got a little bit more in you. I know you do. I know you do. I know you do. You got it. Push. Push down a little bit more. Come on. Push down. Push down. Why isn't this loading yet? Okay. This came under. Did we want it to come under or? That's not good. I don't think that's good. I don't think that's good. I'm not a fundamentals master, but Dixie's dumping. Dixie has absolutely lost support, which is bullish. I'm still looking for that sweep at 986. Can we bounce from here? What is the S&P doing after this? The S&P is flat. 15-minute. Dump and pump. I ain't jumping in yet. NASDAQ is pushing. Okay, that's a good sign. NASDAQ's pushing. I still think we can come to 55. Can we come to 55.9? I want us to come down here at 55.986 before heading up. Come on, Bitcoin. You're not going to give it to me, are you? Decisions. What do you guys think? Jolt lower than expected, bearish for Dixie. Yes. We want less jobs for a bigger cut. What is your TP? So I'm looking to come up to about 57.4. 57.4 would be a retest of previous lows and into the local golden pocket if we do bounce from here. Ooh, my knee hurts. Why does my knee hurt so much? Dixie dumping. Coming up to that VWAP, looking for a possible rejection, okay? Bounce, baby, bounce. Bounce, baby, bounce. We'll see. We'll see. If we get a higher low here, there's still a possibility to get long here. So we could adjust, come back up to this area here somewhere. If we get a nice higher low, let's get into a shorter term time frame here. We didn't break structure to the upside yet. I might take a stab. I'm not sure yet. I would like it to come a little bit lower, man. This is just a wrestle. This is a wrestling match right now. $55,986 is my level. We'll see if we get there. Liquidity supposedly is still there. We'll see if it grabs it. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on down. Come on down to Funky Town. People are not getting jobs, man. People are not getting jobs. That's all right. You guys can always hang out with Michael Saylor. He's got a job for you at McDonald's. Yeesh. Google Gippy Grewal. You look the exact same. Oh, really? Twinning. Am I twinning? I like it. Twinning. Jeez, back up into this shit. Sorry. It was Whataburger. Yeah. It was Whataburger. I think, again, everybody a little bit bullish right here. You're going to trap them. You're going to dump on their head, and then you're going to bounce. Dump on their head. Dump on their head. Come on. We're looking for the long. We're looking for the long. Give me this 56,000 area, please. And then we're going to bounce. Sweep those lows properly. Okay, we have, but we haven't. You know what I mean? We have, but we haven't. This is kind of a namby-pamby sweep here. I want to see a sweep. Volume, come in. Push, bounce, baby. Push, bounce. Push. Come on. Push down. Push down. Like putting a beach ball underwater. Right? That's what we want to see. Is a beach ball underwater. Push. I don't think we're going to get it. I think we're going to bounce from here. Dixie's bouncing up. Retest, continuation down. Now we're pushing up into VWAP again. Into VWAP again? Really? Look at this price action. This is dog poo. Dog poo. Chop suey, yes. Have you already put your order in at 55,986 or are you waiting for a reaction there? I'm waiting for the reaction. Absolutely. No orders in yet. No orders in yet. I do have a limit order set down here at this low here. So if we do plow through, I do think we go double bottom. Okay, so there is a limit order down here. I will drag it into place if I think we're going to bounce from here. Okay, if I see that reaction and I think we're going to bounce, or I can mark it in. So I got a couple options here, but I'm not convinced on this VWAP here. I think we'll reject off the 200 on the one minute and get back to our next level. Okay. Just subbed 1 year. Let's go. Michael, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. Let's go. Michael's part of the Otter Gang family. Otter family. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. Means the world to me, bro. Thank you so much. That goes to multiple traders. It goes to the mods as well. Look at the push we're getting. My God. My God. Okay, I'm looking for a retest of the VWAP now. We've broken structure up. VWAP retest on the table now. Wasn't convinced on that low. Breakout retest is on the table as well. I'm not chasing price though. Nice push here. Grabbing some liquidity up high. So let's be cautious here before we get long. Let's be cautious here. Okay, liquidity grab up top. We've grabbed some liquidity here. This thing's going to come back down on us. We've got to be patient here. Patience will prevail. This just wasn't... Look at the price action here. How do you justify getting long on this shit? You don't. You don't get long on this. This is Rec City. What is the trading strategy involved with this? This is a coin flip, in my opinion. Coin flip, VWAP, chop, downtrend, pig nipples, whatever you want to call it. It's not something we want to mess with. I'm long, not happy with it. Okay. I mean, no trade is a lot of the time. No trade is better than a trade sometimes. Like you would have to. I mean, you did come in. We did see it sweep the lows here. We swept the lows here. Okay. Very possible, but that was basically on news. Okay. That was the news. Okay. Looking for a VWAP retest continuation. We're hitting resistance up top here. We'll see if we do pop off here. Okay. Coming back down. VWAP here. Let's see if we get a little VWAP scalp maybe. A little VWAP scalp. 486, somewhere around here. 456. Yeah, somewhere down here. A little quick snappy crackle pop. Let's see. I'm not in. I'm thinking 456, 380 would be ideal. 380 would be ideal. That would be with the lows here. It's VWAP. VWAP's concerning right now. Where are we at here? I don't like this low. I did not like this low. I would like to see lower. I still want to see lower. Breakout retest, okay, but no. I still want to see this. I want to see that. I don't. We got a decent range here. Very choppy though, guys. This is. You'd have to take 50% out pretty much right away once you get that little move up, just to guarantee your break even. Just to guarantee that break even. It's not something I'm really interested in trading, to be honest. I'd be more interested in this. Show me some strengths, right? Grab this liquidity, retest, and then let's go. Okay? We got EMA squeeze. On what time frame? $200 moving average on the 1 minute here. It's just a tug tug of war with the VWAP this morning. You can see that, right? Tug of war this morning. 5-minute EMAs. Yeah, we're pinching. Absolutely. I used the 55, the 21, and the 9 EMAs, and then the brown one here is their 200. Okay, 200 is coming down, which if we do push out, we could look for that rejection off of that retest and continuation. A little bit of a push here. Rejection on the 15, on the 50. I got my 55s up here. Yeah, so the 50 would be down here a little bit more. Yeah, I can see that, Martina. Good eye. It's a great eye. Looking for this. I don't like this low. That's my problem right now, is I don't like this low. This was very sweepy and based on news. If we're going to show strength, I need these highs to be taken right here. These highs to be taken and a retest to come in. Don't forget, we got a volume level here as well. This red line here is that significant volume level that we talked about this morning, okay? That's significant. That was very key point of control, key level in our previous bull run. Okay, so this is very, very strong resistance that we need to be aware of. Look at this price come down. Okay? This is trapping people. This is trapping people right now, so we don't need to participate in this. Our trap is set down low. It's kind of like a higher low here. So we got a higher high, higher low. We said one minute bear div. It's got to be on RSI or stochastics or something. Biomex, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Great show last night. Dave Digital, Billy Goat Tails, all you guys out there, man. Great job last night. That was a great show. Hope you're having a wonderful day, Biomex. Got to get you an updated schedule. The schedule is wild right now. Just trying to figure life out with a child and get those live streams going in the afternoon. We'll see if we get there, man. But I'll definitely let you know sooner rather than later. I'm trying to build a schedule around the premium membership Discord and alongside the traders and with my life as well. I'm really digging these live morning streams, these live morning trading sessions. I do this anyways, so I might as well stream it. Right? There was a short, I guess, up top at this resistance. Look at how well that worked. Coming back down here, hopefully making a more significant low. We want to see a more significant low, in my opinion. We like morning live streams. No need to change anything. Thanks, Dave, man. I appreciate you. How's your breakout prop going, man? I saw you post something. I couldn't read it. How's that going for you, brother? I see you working hard on that, man. That's good on you, bro. That's good on you. Remember, we're looking for long around 55,986. I haven't put in my limit order yet, but this is kind of where I'm looking for a SFP into our buy box down below here. Golden pocket, grabbing liquidity. Full kind of swing failure here. We could be looking for a double bottom, so that's something I'm not just putting the limit order here and hoping. We could be looking for this, right? So we could be looking for this. Or this, right, where we get a bull div continuation up. So very cautious right now. We understand that we are in a downtrend. We are flagging out, right, coming to the lower part of a flag, possibly right now. Just looking for this and some strength to suggest after a dump like this and people getting short here, okay, we expect a little bit of a grab of people getting short late and then that continuation down. 54,700 being our target, okay, for a full retracement of this range, and then hopefully happy days after that. We'll see how long it takes to get here. I would expect a little bit of a pushback today. We'll see if we get it. Coming down into our level right now as we speak. You can see 56, 250. Come on, Bitcoin. Come down into it. Show me some love. Show me some love. Show me some love. Reward me for my patience, baby. Reward me for my patience. Make sure you're using stop losses if you are looking to get in here. This can roll over aggressively. We've seen it yesterday. Do not be trading this thing without a stop loss. You are not only are you practically catching a falling knife, right? You need to be using the stop loss, making sure you're using good risk management, risking maximum 5% of your account per trade, making sure you are using a good risk to reward ratio. You do not want to be trading the middle of this range. VWAP has absolutely slapped the price action today. Maybe it's a day where you want to take a break and go and back test. Maybe it's a day where you want to go and touch some grass, hug your family, and kiss your dog. I don't know. But maybe today is not the day you trade. Maybe you will save more money by not trading today because you won't be in the negative, okay? Right? We were looking at the long there. That was not a good idea. A long there was not a good idea, right? We are sticking to our guns with this swing failure pattern here. We want to see a solid low come in for where we can look to fire off a beautiful long, giving ourselves a better opportunity. Yo, Alex, anything you look for on the Cipher when trading a breakout of trend line? So I look for the bias of the day. So as you guys know, I go 4, 3, 2, 1, right? 4 hour, we want to see that green dot confirm. That's going to be within the next hour and a half, right? 3 hour, we have a green dot printing, right? Hasn't confirmed yet, right? So we're pushing down. We had a green dot here. It hasn't confirmed yet. Okay, 2 hour has confirmed. So we're looking for a pushback. No willy-nilly trading for me today. I love it. I love it. We have confirmed the green dot on the 2 hour, but money is coming out. So a little bit of concern. And then the 1 hour, we're looking for a continuation here, possibly an inverse head and shoulders. Red dot currently printing right now. So no trade right now. So we have our bias that we are oversold. We have money kind of indecisive, but we are very oversold as well on our stochastics. We typically want to see a pushback. That's why we said we want to see a pushback and then a continuation of this downtrend. So the pushback is the idea. Where we catch the pushback is our bias. So the breakout retest on market cipher would be in confluence with this idea of the pushback. Okay, so how we get into that is based on price action, right? So if price action is showing us strength, right? If we see the pushback here on strength, right? Swing failure pattern, bounce here, strength coming up, push up, grabs the highs, liquidity grab, comes back, tests the lows. That's where we look to fire off the long. Okay, we want to see these highs taken out before that. Okay, and that's going to be ideal. Continuation of an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows as well into this area. Okay, and that's going to be the confluence. Brewberry is going live. Awesome. Awesome. That means I can step down and you guys can step up to Brewberry's live stream, guys. Let's send you guys all over there because I'm going to probably get going. Here we go. We got Brewberry here. I'll copy that link and I'll send it over here in the chat. So you guys can jump over there and invade his live stream. Go and learn from Brewberry. A master of structure and a master of disaster. I love Brewberry, one of our beautiful coaches over there. He has so much to give, and you have so much to learn from him. I mean, this community is just thriving right now, and it's amazing. I love to see it. I love to see you guys crushing it. I'm still looking for that long down there. We'll see if we get there, but hopefully I will see you guys in the Discord. If there's anything you need, holler at me in the Discord. Much love to you guys. Let's say goodbye. I'm still looking for that sweep of the lows. I mean, right now, sweep of the lows. higher low. You want to get that higher low. You don't want to catch that knife. You want to get that higher low. You want to take that back up to that golden pocket area that we talked about today. You want to manage your risk accordingly, okay? Make sure you're using a stop loss, all those good things. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Martina, God bless you. I'm sorry for your loss. Things will get better. Stick with us. We're here for you. And thank you guys for supporting me. And I'll see you guys in the Discord and tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.